Hi, I'm Arisha from the team Bharat Consultancies, and here comes my elevator pitch. Discover Education is one-stop online portal which fulfills the necessity and requirements for students across various universities all over India. Moving on to the basic structure of a business plan, Discover Education tends to mix up directory and review ranking sort of user-friendly interface. As in, as soon as the student logs in the website, his location will be traced according to his approval. You know, Indian students are fortunate enough that they have the availability to seek information through one of the best portals in India, that is Shikta.com, Zomato, and so on. But here at Discover Education, we use a very novel approach. That is, we try to find out what exactly student wants, and accordingly, we compile all the information into a single portal. I have a question for all of you. Do you think is it possible for a student who's living in Chennai to visit Jawaharlal Nehru University campus? I don't think so. But here at Discover Education, we'll provide the opportunity to have the virtual tour for all the universities in India. Moving on to the services sector of our business plan, that is Discover Education, will provide information about various courses, fee structure, eligibility, criteria, scholarship, exchange programs in all the university. Most importantly, we reduce the major hassle of students in finding out right accommodation at right location. Because if students are happy, then parents are obviously happy. Next part. For the first time in India, Discover Education is providing information regarding all the professional, non-professional, registered, non-registered culture societies such as Dramatic Society, Western Music Society, because we aim at, that is Discover Education aim at improving not only a student's academic skills but also his interest-based skills. Friends, 70% of Indian students depend on coaching institutes in college, but they experience issue in choosing the right coaching institute for them. We provide platforms for students to review and rank, share the experience of the coaching. Also, we have designed an Android app to provide mobility for easy access to students. Now, moving on to the revenue model of a plan, we'll be charging fixed amount from coaching institutes, PGs, hostels for their listing in our site, outdoor and Google Ads. In a nutshell, I would like to say that Discover Education is redefining education of Indian students. Thank you.